Hello, I'm Shani and welcome to our channel. Today we are in Dongsi Bajiao. It's near the Dongsi subway station and we are now in the house that is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living rooms. And this area is one of our living rooms and with an open kitchen here. And there is a dishwash machine here, which is rare in a Hutong house. And an oven here and the electric stove. It's quite good. And there is one of our bedrooms and one of our bathrooms. There is the bathroom next to this bedroom. So this is the place. If you don't want to have this one as bedroom, you can make it a like small office or a small studio. And let's see the living room. This side is very spacious. You can invite some friends and have some drinks here and some chatting on this area and watch some movies. And let's have a look to the main bedroom. This is our bathroom in the bedroom here. The bathroom with the bathtub. And this is the main bedroom. It has a nice armchair and this for resting and the bed. Overall, this house is pretty nice and it's very convenient to the subway station. And that's it for today. And thanks for watching. See you next episode. Bye.